Two-time Formula One world champion Fernando Alonso called Marc Marquez's 2025 MotoGP title a tremendous achievement that few could achieve. The 32-year-old Ducati rider won his seventh title after dominating the season with 11 Grand Prix wins and 14 sprint victories, which culminated a 5-year campaign following a serious arm injury in 2020 and a stint with Honda until 2023, leaving him second all-time in race wins and just one title away from equaling Giacomo Agostini's record, with Alonso stressing that in addition to his natural talent, Marquez also possesses extraordinary mental strength and discipline and is determined to improve despite his 5-year title absence.